Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on centrifugal shifter or a rotary shifter. Now exactly what is centrifugal shifter? A centrifugal shifter is a shifter which works on a principle of centrifugal force. The force pushes a material from one end of the basket to another end, and while it is moving from one end to another, it is getting sieved. This is called as centrifugal shifter. Now let us look at actual construction of a centrifugal shifter. Now that is an induction motor or a standard motor on which the entire principle of centrifugal shifter works on. This is the inlet of the machine wherein the material will be fed. In this cylindrical juncture there is a basket of a specific mesh size. In that basket we will find a shaft running, rotating at certain speed, which is having certain blades. So once you feed the material from here, it will get sieved through this basket. The actual material will come out from this outlet and the oversized material will be coming out from this outlet. So basically this is a brief idea about what is rotary shifter. Now let me tell you about advantages of rotary shifter. If you are having a light bulk density product which is very dusty, this is a perfect machine for those kind of an application because it is entirely an enclosed structure. So if you want any hygiene environment to be included in your factory, now this is a machine which is very well suited. Secondly, it is very easy to maintain. As you can see, you can remove these 4 knobs and you can remove the entire basket and clean it and again put it in. So only one operator will be required to maintain this machine. So the third advantage of this shifter is that you can see it is very compact. So there will be only one operator required to maintain this machine as compared to a circular shifter wherein minimum 2 people will be required. So these are basically the most important 3 advantages of this kind of shifter. And this shifter, if we talk about its application, we can use this shifter for applications like milk powder, gulab jamun mix or silica powder. Powders which are very light bulk density in nature, or also we can use in certain applications where there are some soft lumps are forming of the product. So the blades will be breaking that soft lumps, but make sure that the lumps are soft and not hard. So these are basic advantages and all the things about a centrifugal shifter. That is all from my side. Thank you.